Agriculture has always been the backbone of India's economy. Yet the people who feed the nation continue to face endless struggles. Small and marginal farmers in rural areas suffer from problems like poor storage facilities, lack of awareness about digital tools, and dependence on the middlemen who pay them very low prices. As a result, farmers lose both their produce and their motivation to continue farming. Large quantities of food get wasted every year due to the absence of cold storage or drying system. And this loss not only affects farmers' income but also damages the environment and the rural economy. Consumers too are impacted because when the food supply drops, market prices rise. To overcome all these challenges, there is an urgent need for a system that preserves crops, providing fair prices, and connects farmers directly with buyers. Our idea, AgriLink, connecting farmers to markets, is a step in this direction. It is designed not to make profit but to bring positive change in farmers' lives. AgriLink introduces a low cost solar powered cold storage and food dryer system that helps farmers preserve their crops for a longer period without depending on electricity. It uses renewable solar energy, making it both affordable and eco friendly. Along with this, AgriLink provides a digital marketplace and QR based system that allow farmers to display their products online, interact directly with buyers, and receive instant payments. This removes the needs of the middleman and ensures that the entire profit reaches in the farmer's hand. The web platform is easy to use and can be accessed in local languages, ensuring that even farmers with limited digital knowledge can use it comfortably. The main aim of AgriLink is to give farmers control over their own work and income. By linking technology with traditional farming, it brings transparency, fairness, and trust. The project supports national missions like Atmanirbhar Bharat, Vocal for Local, and Digital India by making farmers self reliant and digitally empowered. When farmers can preserve their crops, sell them directly, and get fair prices, their family becomes financially secure. Local sellers and cooperative also benefit because a stronger farming community means a stronger rural economy. Reduced wastage leads to more food availability and stable prices, which help consumers too. Thus, AgriLink benefits everyone, from the farmer to the buyer, and strengthens the foundation of the nation. In the end, AgriLink is not just a digital idea, it is a movement towards equality, progress, and sustainability. It teaches us that when technology reaches the hands of farmers, development truly begins at the grassroots. This initiative represents hope for millions of rural families who work hard every day but still struggle to earn fairly. With AgriLink, they get the power to protect their harvest, sell confidently, and build a better future for themselves and for India. When farmers grow, India grows, and AgriLink is a small but powerful step towards that dream. Come, I will show you our website.